Do you struggle with sleep because of phone distractions? What if I told you there's a secret mode that helps you wind down, block notifications, and reduce blue light automatically? It's called sleep mode. Today I'll show you how to set it up on any smartphone. I will demonstrate on a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. But don't worry, don't scroll away if you have a different phone. I'll also share steps for other Android devices, Itel, Infinix, all of them, and iPhone users. You can check the description for your guide. Stay with me and let's turn your phone into the perfect sleep assistant. Hi, so on S22 Ultra and other models like other Galaxies, you go and you open settings here, and you scroll down to modes and routines. And you remember, on some older devices, this may be under digital well-being and parental controls. So we go to modes and routines here, and then we tap sleep. This is the sleep mode, or bedtime mode. You might say sleep mode or bedtime mode depending on your model. You touch that, and then you set your bedtime schedule. You touch here to set your bedtime schedule. Choose the days and times you want sleep mode to activate. You touch here. This is where you go to set your time. Like for me now, I had set mine to begin at 9 p.m. and to end at 5 a.m. And then you can choose the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you want this schedule. You want to have these schedules on. Okay? And then you can enable do not disturb. Okay, so you customize it, right? If you enable do not disturb, to silence calls and notifications, and then save. So bonus tip, you can also access sleep mode quickly from quick settings panel by swiping down twice from the top of your screen and find the sleep icon. You can automatically you can I made another video on how to set this up. See the modes here. See, it's here. You can access it easily. Okay, from the quick panel. That's a bonus. Now, how to set up bedtime mode on other Android devices. Example: Google Pixel, Itel, Infinix, Motorola. But as long as it's Android phone, that you can you can open the clock app. I can't show you on my phone because my phone doesn't have that, but on other phones that's how it will look like. You open the clock app on your phone, and then you tap the bedtime tab. On the clock app, there's issue where you say bedtime tab, the bedtime. You tap it. But if you don't see it, check under digital well-being in settings. If you don't see it there on the clock app, you can go to settings. This is this. You open your settings and you search digital. I don't know, this phone might not have that. So you search digital well-being. Yeah, digital well-being. Yes, you it might be under this digital well-being and parental control. From there, it's different. I don't have that option. I'll be reading it to you how to go about it on your phone. So when you search digital well-being, it will open, and then you will tap get started, and then you set sleep schedule. Then you choose what happens when bedtime mode is on. You can silence notification with do not disturb. You can apply grayscale to reduce blue light exposure, or you can limit interruptions by disabling certain apps, and then you click done. Some Android phones even allow you to link something like Spotify or YouTube Music for a calming bedtime playlist if you have such. For iPhone users, you open settings and you tap focus, and then you select sleep. But if you don't see it, tap the plus sign and create a new focus mode. Then you tap next, and then set your bedtime schedule Choose your preferences. Your preferences could be to silence notification, dim lock screen, enable white down to reduce distraction before sleep, and then you tap done. And you're all set. Your iPhone will now automatically enter sleep mode at bedtime. So the tip here now is like you can link sleep mode with the Apple Health app to track sleep patterns. And that's it. Now you know how to set up sleep mode on any smartphone, whether you use Samsung or Google Pixel, OnePlus, itel, Motorola, Infinix, any of them. So before you go, don't forget to like this video. If you found it helpful, please like this video, share it with friends who need better sleep, and subscribe for more tech tips and smartphone tricks. See you in the next one.